Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action angle, but you look down here at the volume angle, and massive volume today. So needless to say, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one here as we head into Wednesday. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. In the very near term, two main levels that I think a lot of people are going to be watching, and I emphasize a lot of people, because when lots of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And the first level that, like I said, much people will be watching is just simply down here at 425, because that's basically where the bleeding stopped. I mean, you got to acknowledge the fact that from where it was up here to all the way down here, that was a whole lot of bleeding, but at least the bleeding finally stopped, so much so that it actually also created a bounce to the upside, which brings about the next level, which I'll talk about here in a second. But the point here being, a lot of people took notice of that. Okay, the pullback finally ended right there. So call it self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. There's going to be a lot of people watching that area, and I mean, not a guarantee, but if the price breaks down below 425, my point here is it's at least it's a rational thought to have that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure if 425 is violated. Now, so far, so good. That hasn't happened, but that's going to, like I said, going to be a very important level of support moving forward. Now, on the flip side of things, another level that lots and lots of people are going to be watching is this area right up here at $5. You're going to have all sorts of breakout players watching that area. There's been several occasions that this afternoon there, where the price just could never quite get any sort of momentum. Not sure the price actually did peak up above it a couple times, but as far as establishing and maintaining momentum, that didn't happen at all. So once again, not a guarantee, but it's a more than valid thought to have that if the price can work its way up to that level, get the break of 5, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So those are definitely going to be the two main technical levels that lots of traders are going to be out there watching going into Wednesday. So let's see how the price plays out relative to those two areas. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.